Hi everyone, it's Tammy with Wings of Love Treasures back for another video. Today we're going to be doing a box from Florida. Goodwill Blue Box from Florida. And when I dumped it out, there is so much stuff at the bottom, like loose stuff. It was all over the place. So we'll get to the bottom of that and see what all that stuff is. I think a necklace or something had broken, or a couple of them, because there's all kinds of stones, like little clear stones. I can't pick them up. Here they are. There's a bunch of these, like little stones. So it must have been a bracelet or something that broke. So I'll put them in the back. I wanted to show you this. So this one is real pearls. It's a very pretty necklace, and I found it for $25. Okay, it's the one double-stranded, and it has the toggle clasp. Oh, if I can get it off. There we go. Okay, toggle clasp. And those are real pearls. All right, just wanted to show you that one. That over here. And then I did find 2 pairs of earrings. That is it. So we had these, and they're very lightweight, and they're posts. Okay. And then these, I think, are stainless steel. These balls are very heavy. Yeah. So, and they're posts, and they're balls. But I believe they're stainless steel. Super heavy. Okay. And then this bracelet, this was Spirit Lala, and it was $25. Okay. And then this one, the BK bracelet, was $45. It's missing one of the pearls. So I'm going to, two pearls. So I'm going to try to find some pearls and fix this one because it's really pretty. All right. And then these were all sterling. Oh, this was gold. That's 10 karat gold. Okay. So that'll go on my scrap lot. And then these were all sterling from the last box. Okay, that one was a CZ, and it's sterling. And then this is a real pearl, and it's sterling. And this one is stones, and it's sterling. Even says sterling right there, but it is. And this is also sterling, but we didn't have the other one with gold over vermeil. So we don't have that one. We don't have any of these. This was also sterling. Okay, and that's red jasper, red jasper. And then this one was also sterling, brushed silver post. So, but we don't have any of those. So those will go in my scrap pile. And let's start and see what we can find. Okay, Florida Goodwill Blue Box. We have a bracelet, acrylic bracelet with rhinestones. And it looks like all the rhinestones are there. Oh, no, it's missing one. Okay. Then we have another acrylic bracelet, stripes and sparkle. Very nice. I've had a lot of coffee today, so I'm a little jittery. This is acrylic. Yeah, acrylic panels, and there's brushed gold and shiny gold tone. Okay, a lot of bracelets. Here's another bracelet, and this is wire, silver tone wire, and this one's big. Nice size. We don't always get those bigger sizes, which is nice to have. All right, then we have, wow, so many. Let me get some out. We can look at them because there's a lot. Okay. All right, these are all bracelets, I think. And we have some more pieces. That's a real stone. A lot of real stones in here. They're loose. They're all over my desk. All right, we got a sparkly bracelet. Okay, but the inside, I believe this is acrylic. Yeah. Okay. Then we have another bracelet that is acrylic and gunmetal. Good stretch. And all of the pieces are there. Pretty. Okay, we have this may be silver, brass, and copper. And I do see some writing, but I don't know what it says. So I will check this one. That's a pretty one. I like that one. It's a little wonky. It needs to be fixed. And then we have another bracelet, Shambhala style. Wow, with a long, real leather. Lucky brand. That's a real stone. These are real stones. Yep. Okay, those are all real stones. Lucky brand bracelet. Pretty. I like that. I'm going to look that one up. Okay, we have another piece. See, something did break. All right, we'll throw that away. We have a silver tone bracelet, or is this an anklet? I think it's an anklet. Yeah. Oh, pretty blue rhinestones and a mermaid. Yeah, it's an anklet. Or you could wear it as a bracelet because it could go small enough for a bracelet. You'd have to have a small ankle for this one. Okay, or a bracelet. Oh, that's pretty. Acrylic, faceted cut, see-through bracelet. And then we have an enamel. Is this enamel? It looks like enamel. And it's inside brass. Beige. And then we have a silver tone with rhinestones. Those are all rhinestones. Ooh, maybe this is diamond. Let's see what it picks up. No, it could be sterling. See if I see a name or any markings in it. If not, I'll put it in the back and test it. Because it could be CZs or diamonds. They kind of look like diamonds because they don't look like the best diamonds. So that's cool. Okay. I'll check that one out. Oh, we got another one of these bracelets, just like the other one. So we have two of these now. And I can't read what that says either. All right. I'll check it out. Okay, and then we have a metal. It looks like there's copper under there, so this could be a copper bracelet with silver tone over top of it. All right. Not picking up. It could be a coating of sterling. Not sure. I'll check it out. Okay. I see some pearls if I could get them out. I don't know. Let's not do that. We'll try this one. Oh, this is pretty. This is beautiful. Okay, we have a lobster claw clasp, and I'm not sure what these beads are. They could be glass, they could be stones. And look, it's buffalo. What is it, buffalo? Oh, that's so pretty. White buffalo. I have a bunch of these, but they're bigger. Yeah, that's real white buffalo. These are sterling balls, and I'm not sure what these beads are, so I'll have to look at this better because those beads could be stones or they could be glass. Oh, how pretty. White buffalo necklace. Gorgeous. And here's some more sterling beads. And here's some more. And then we have some at the bottom. Very pretty. I love that. Okay, I'll check that one out. Thanks. Florida. Oh, we got another bracelet. But whatever was in here is not here any longer. So something went in between here, and you could probably change out, but it's not here. So this looks like a Brighton to me. Yeah. All right. I'm going to have to put this over here to see if we can't find the piece that goes in the middle. Might be in here. Okay, we have some more bracelets. This one says love, I'm pretty sure. Does it say love? Yeah. No. Maybe. Love? Yeah. Okay, it's just a little gold tone bracelet. And then, oh, look at this one. Ooh, how pretty. Wonder if those are turquoise or if they're faux turquoise. Oh, look, it's copper and brass twisted with probably nickel silver, I'm thinking. Yeah. So I'll have to check this one. It's very pretty, though. It's a good size. Okay. Faux turquoise or not, I will check and make sure that's faux turquoise, but faux or not, it's very pretty. I can't talk today. Oh, what is wrong with me? Okay, we have a fold over clasp, gold tone, and then we have beads at the bottom. Oh, how pretty. These look like coral. Yeah, those are beads, and those are faux turquoise. But these do look like coral, huh? All right, it looks like someone made this one. Yeah. Looks like they took the top of a necklace and added it to this part. Yeah, those are pretty. I really like these. Love these beads. Okay, so it does. It seems like someone made it. They added that to the bottom. All right, I'll check those out. Cool. We have a kid's bracelet. It says love. Stretch. I'm going to give that to my granddaughter. All right, put that over there. We have a beautiful pearl bracelet with a cross. It has a little heart down there. And I believe this is sterling. And I think these are real pearls. Yeah, look, here's the little clasp that you hook it to. And I'll test it, but I'm pretty sure that these are real pearls. Let's see. Yeah, gritty. Beautiful. Such a pretty bracelet. Okay, I'll test that one. Wow, we just have so many cool things already right off the bat. Okay, we have a bracelet. Looks like wood. Nice stretch. Okay. Then we have another bracelet. Oh, I want to show you this one. Hold on. Oh, this is pretty. These are painted sea beads. Okay, here's the clasp. Good stretch on it. And it goes like that. And all the rhinestones are there. Very nice. I like it. Okay. Then we have another bracelet. And these look like sea glass. Yeah, they're real smooth. This looks like copper wire. Nice. Sea glass bracelet. Okay, this is a pendant. It has an R on it. Silver tone. Yes, silver tone pendant with an R. Okay, this is a brooch and a pendant. And this, I believe, is acrylic. I think this silver part's acrylic. This is definitely acrylic. And it's got rhinestones all the way around. How pretty. Yeah, pendant and a brooch. Very nice. Okay, we have another brooch. Oh, that's pretty. Those are glass. These little, they look like hearts, and they have rhinestones going around them. Oh, you know what? It's broken. Yeah, so I'll have to put that in the craft lot. Somebody can put a hook on it and make it a pendant. Okay. Very nice, though. Okay, we have an earring. It looks, we had this one. Didn't we have this one in another box? Because it looked like a watermelon, and I said, look, it looks like a watermelon. I know we have this one somewhere. Okay. Oh, this is definitely acrylic. There is a little hole in it. Yeah, it's a pendant. But there's a stone missing. I'm going to put this in a craft lot. Okay. Black flower. Yeah, it's all acrylic. Okay, then we have another bracelet, silver tone, filigree balls, and faux pearls. And it's on a memory wire with tassels. Pretty. It's very small. Tiny. Okay. Have some tangles, I think. Oh, ooh, look at this. This is real leather. I know that something's supposed to go on here, and this says Carol Lee 925. So this is sterling and real leather, and I'm sure there's a pendant in here somewhere that goes on here. Yeah, very nice. Love the hook. Sterling. Okay, so I'll put that back there in case we find the pendant that goes on it. Carol Lee. Okay. Then we have another necklace, and it is acrylic gray with a spring ring clasp. This is the length on it. Oh my, this bag is so dirty. There's just stuff everywhere. Okay. All acrylic. It's supposed to look like stones, but they're not. Definitely acrylic. All gray. Different color grays. All right. Okay, I'm trying to get this pearl necklace out, but I don't know. Okay. We have a lobster claw clasp, and these are all acrylic. That is hematite. And it's like a charm necklace. Yeah, it's got hearts, and they're all acrylic. Everything on here is acrylic. Okay. See? All right. Oh, there is a pearl earring. All right, we'll put that back there. All right, got another necklace out. Ooh, look at this one. This is Chico's. Wow, look at that clasp, huh? These are acrylic. Cat eye. Oh, look at this one. It's acrylic, but it's very shiny. Yeah. Okay, and I think it goes this way. Yep, very long. And then it has these tassels that go down here. Oh, that's pretty cool looking. Chico's. Let's see. That's how that lays at the bottom. Pretty cool. Purple and blues. Very nice. Chico's. All right. What else we got in here? Oh, look at this one. Wow. What is this? OR. OR. Look at this one. Wow. This is cool. I'm trying to figure out, I think this is glass or acrylic. Can't tell. I think these are acrylic. Now, these right here are glass. Look, they have the copper in them. Isn't that pretty? Yeah. And it has a hook. And it says OR. I don't know who OR is. All right. We're going to have to look that one up. This is cool. Look at that pendant. Wow. That's amazing. OR. I don't know. I'll look it up though. And it's long. Oh wow, I'm going to have so much stuff to look up. Wow, that thing's huge. Okay. We have another one. This is the one I've been trying to get to because it's taking up a lot of room over here. Look at this one. Okay, here we go. Faux pearl. Look at that. Flower. It's missing 1, 2, 3, 4 of the rhinestones. But you could put that in the back. And you can wear it like this. Faux pearls. Yeah, or you could fix it and then you could wear it on the side. Like that. I like it on the side. Yeah. That's very pretty. Wow. Okay. No name on this one. But that is cool. Beautiful pearls. Faux pearls. Okay, we have a necklace that is macrame, if I can get it out. No, I don't know. Hold on, guys. I got a tangle. Okay, maybe not that one yet. Okay, let's do this one. Oh my. Okay. All right. Lots of stuff coming out. All right, these have like a fishnet on them. These are all acrylic. Spring ring clasp. It is very long. Very, very long. Okay, this is a vintage piece. Definitely vintage piece. Let's double it. And that would be doubled. Yeah, that one's cool. I love these vintage pieces. Okay, black and white. Okay, we have a real pearl. Yes, a real pearl. It's probably sterling, so we'll put that back there. We have another earring, and that is enamel, blue enamel. Very pretty. Hoop. We have another earring. That is that rattan stuff. Yeah, pretty. For the beach. And then we have a silver tone, a gold tone hoop. Nice. Oh, I see a Hamsahan bracelet. Hamsahan bracelet. All the rhinestones are there. It's got 2 little eyes here. It's on a synthetic cord and it has a lobster claw clasp. Yeah, that's cute. Hamsahan. All right. And then we have another pearl necklace. And this is definitely vintage. And it has a fold over clasp and it says Hong Kong. I am going to triple it and put it on a display. Oh, I love this one. I like this one a lot. Yeah. Oh, look how pretty that is. Like, these beads are so cool. You just don't find those anymore. Very interesting. Hong Kong. Gold tone spacers. Very nice. All right. Okay, I see a suede, something suede with pearls. Oh, look, it's got a suede tassel. This is real suede and real pearls. Look how pretty those are. Wow. And it's a necklace. It's just tied in the back, but you could make it shorter if you would like. Just pull these apart. Okay. And this is what it looks like. That is cool. Yeah. Okay, I'll show you the length of the longest part like that. There we go. See, it's long. And these are definitely real pearls. Yes. Yep. Oh, how pretty. I love stuff like this. So cool. Yeah. Real suede. Okay, can I get this one out yet? No. Let me see. Okay. This one is a statement necklace. And it says Robert Rose. Robert Rose. I know his things are more expensive. But we see these a lot. And I know Robert Rose's stuff is more expensive. But, yeah. This one's probably like $45 or something. I don't know. I'll look it up. Okay, we have another necklace. Oh, this one's cool too. Hammered brass tone. Where's the clasp? Okay, it's got a shepherd's hook. I love this one. Oh my goodness. Brass tone. Look at the dots. Oh, how cool. And I'll show you what it looks like laying down. Oh, I love this one. Yes. Love it. Okay. It doesn't have a name on it. No, but it's so cool. Yeah, I'm going to look it up. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see. We've got another necklace. This one is double. Okay, so it's a double choker with faux turquoise and faux, I think it's supposed to look like coral. Okay. Yeah, it's a choker for sure. And it has a, look at the cute seahorse. So it's very small. All faux turquoise and faux coral. All right. All right, let's see what this one is. Oh, this one's got a hook. Hold on, let me see if I can get this up. Oh my. I don't know what this is. Why is this on here? Hold on, this goes to glasses. I don't know why that's on there. Okay, we have an earring stuck in it. An earring, rhinestone. And then this one says, can't read it. Mojette? I'm not sure. I'll have to look it up. All right. And it's hooked with all this stuff. I don't understand why this is on here. Unless it's for your glasses. I don't know. It was on both ends. I like the chain alone. And I think it's for your glasses. See, it's got the little glass thing. Okay. And this one had it too on the other side. But I would take those off and use it for a chain, because look how pretty this chain is. Yeah, it's a beautiful chain. Definitely going to do that. Because nobody uses these, I don't think, very much anymore. And it would make a gorgeous chain for a pendant. Yeah, I'm going to take those off. Very pretty. Okay, take that off. Okay, ooh, things are going everywhere. All right, we have a collar necklace, and this one, I don't know. Oh, Liz & Co. Liz & Co. Okay, it's a snake chain. Yeah. But it's a hard snake chain. See? It looks brass tone. It's a brass tone snake chain. Liz & Co. Okay. Oh, look at these. Faux pearls, not knotted in between. Very pretty, though. Lobster claw clasp. No name on it. Very nice luster. Pretty white. They're fairly white. Nice. Okay. Oh, I see something gold. Look at this bracelet. It's got rhinestones, gold tone. Make sure it's got all its rhinestones. Yes, for sure. And it has a fold over clasp. And I don't see a name on it. Oh, yes, I do. It says Joan Rivers. Wow, very nice. Okay, I'm going to look that one up too. Joan Rivers stuff is fairly expensive. This is a nice find. Awesome possum. This is a great box so far. I'm really enjoying this. Okay, these are acrylic. Got a little tassel there. And I think it's broken, but it just needs to be hooked back on right here. So that's not a problem. Yeah. It goes like that with a little tassel. And it's supposed to look like stones, but it is not. And it just goes over your head, but they're pretty. Look at the acrylic pieces. They are pretty. They did a really good job on this. So, very nice. I'll hook that back on. It'll take me 2 seconds. All right. Oh, look at this one. Oops. If I can get it out. We got a tangle. Okay. Yeah, lobster claw clasp. And this one says, oh, Premier Designs. Faux turquoise. These are acrylic. These are glass. That's glass. Shell. Silver tone. Nice. Let me show you the length on it. This is the length. Yeah, pretty faux turquoise. They did a good job. Probably dyed howlite. These are ceramic. There's a little bit of everything. Look at the silver tone flowers. Yeah, glass and acrylic, crystal, shell, a little bit of everything. Pretty. I love the purple and the blues together. Just gorgeous. Okay, we got a little hair thing. We have a silver tone earring, brushed silver. And we'll go through the rest of this later. This is acrylic, and it's a pendant, little acrylic pendant. And here's another pendant. Oh, look how pretty this is. Looks like it has diamonds in the middle, or one diamond. Okay, it's probably silver tone. No, it has a name or something. Let me look. 12 karat gold fill. 12 karat gold fill. Nice. Okay, we'll put that back there. All right. Wow. All right, this is a macrame necklace. Yep, and these are wood. These are wood, and this one's broken. So this had something on it, but it broke off. Yeah. So you could put another, break that off and put another pendant there. All right, whoever made it did a really good job on it. Oh my, there's stuff everywhere. Oh, I like these. You know I like these. Oh, and it's for your glasses. Yeah, sea beads. But I'll take those off of there because I like it as a necklace and make a necklace out of it. I love sea bead necklaces. They're just so colorful and fun. Okay, so I will take that off. Okay, we have a piece for a tuxedo. And put that back there. All right. I'm going to get the big stuff out first because there's a ton of little bitty things in here. All right, let's see. We have a necklace. And that is acrylic. And it feels like glass. Faceted cut glass on fishing wire. I think these are acrylic too. Okay. And that doesn't have a name on it. Pretty piece though. Okay, we have another fishing wire necklace. There we go. And these, can't tell, I think they're all acrylic. We have an earring. Okay. I'll have to look at it closer. Okay, silver tone. These are in really bad shape. Look at the balls. I'm going to put this in a craft lot. Maybe somebody can use the pieces to it. Okay, we have another earring. Peach and gold tone. Okay. Oh, a ring. So we have a shell, dyed shell, blue ring, and it's memory wire. Okay, let's see what size it is. It is a 10, or it can go up to a 10 or 11. It's memory wire, so 9. But it can go up higher than that. Yeah, that's pretty. Okay. All right. Oh, this is glass and crystals with a toggle clasp. And it's green and orange. Glass and crystals. How pretty. Green and orange. Okay. Oh, we have another earring. These are leather. That's definitely leather and gold tone. Okay. Oh, it's a Christmas present. And it's a lapel pin or a tie tack. Very cute. We have a pendant. Flowers. Oh, look, the porcelain cracked. Yeah, I'll put that. This was 1928 too. I'll put this in a craft lot and maybe somebody can take this out and put something else in the middle because the gold tone around it's in great shape. Okay. All right, we have a pen, and these you can put charms on. So you put this on, and then you can put whatever charms you like on here and wear it on your coat. All right. Aw, another Christmas pen, stick pen, candy canes. And this one says 1980 Taiwan. Okay. I think this is a bracelet. Is this a bracelet? Wait. Okay, this is real leather. No, it is a necklace. Let's see. Yeah, it's a double necklace. Okay, real leather. And these are metal. And they have little rondelles on them with rhinestones. Oh, this one's pretty. Yeah. It needs to be straightened out, but a hair dryer will do that. Just heat it up. And let's see who made it. Can't read it. Let me get closer. I don't know that mark. Looks like a bull. I don't know. I don't know if y'all can see it. I don't know who that is. I'll try to look it up and see if I can't find it. But it's real leather. And the metal's very nice. Oh, look at this bracelet. Oh, I think these are glass. Oh, how pretty. I don't know, they could be. No, I think they're glass. Charming Charlie's. It's pretty though. Oh, look, it's purple. Very pretty gold tone. Oh, look at this one. Oh, wow. That's gorgeous. It's missing one. Oh, I hope it's in there. I would just take this one off. See if I could do that though. Yeah, I could take that one off and put the thing here. Yep. That's gorgeous. I really like this one. And I don't know if it's a J. Crew because it doesn't have its tag on it. It just has this, and I know other people use these. So that is beautiful. Very, very nice. Okay. Oh. Okay, we have another necklace. This is acrylic, definitely, and silver tone, and a lobster claw clasp, and double strand. Yeah, double strand. Nice. Okay, we have another silver tone necklace with a pendant, double strand, and it says, what does that say? Celebrity? It says celebrity. I don't know. It's got a knot in it. Let's see. Okay. There we go. Oh, that's pretty. It's long. Yeah. Okay. There's the length on it. Let's put it on here so y'all can see the pendant, because the pendant's very pretty. Filigree pendant. And I like how this chain goes this way and this one goes up. Yeah. Kind of festooned. That's pretty. Celebrity. I don't know who that is. We'll look it up. Okay. We have another bracelet. And this one looks like a wave. Yeah. Wonder if it's one of those ocean bracelets. Oh, here's a tag. Let me read what it says. Pura Vida. It's a Pura Vida bracelet. I'm going to put this in your bag, Holly. I know you like these Pura Vida bracelets. Okay. Oh, look at this ring. Wow. Silver tone. I'm fairly certain it's silver tone. It does say something in it. Let me see. It might say the size. Yeah, it says U with an arrow through it. Sometimes these are sterling, but usually when they do this brand, when they do sterling, they usually write sterling in it. So it's probably just a rhinestone. Yeah. Okay. And let's see what sizes it is. But it's in great shape and it's pretty. It is an 8. All right. An 8. Okay, we have a lot of pieces. Which, what I'm going to do is... Oh, found another bracelet. Silver tone, gold tone. Very nice. Oh, the clasp is missing. Okay. It's one of those magnet ones. The clasp is missing. That's going to Craft Lot. Okay. Got one more necklace. Or two. Oh, these are also for your glasses. Oh no, that goes on that one. That's right. All right, this one is just a feather. Silver tone long necklace with balls, stations, and a feather. Okay, I'll show you the length. Here's the length. All right, silver tone. All right. And then here's another one. And this one is a choker, lobster claw clasp, gold tone, stations, ball stations. Yeah, that's pretty. That's very dainty. I like that. Okay. Then we have a sea bead bracelet, blue, peacock colors. Oh, see, that's what I'm talking about. Okay. Well, that one, when I get it all together, will go in a Craft Lot. Oh my. We're just going to put that over there. And we have all this. I just want to show you what a mess we have, because we have all this. So I'm not going to be able to separate all this. Like, it's everywhere. Like, look. Yeah, it's all over the place. It's under my mat. It's on my mat. Like, so I'm gonna have to do all this off camera because it's a mess. But I'll put all the little stones in a baggie, and okay, I found a little earring. Okay. All right. So let's pick through here a little bit and just see if we see anything. Well, I found this match right off the bat. So we have the match to these earrings, which is awesome. Okay. Gold tone hoops. Those are very nice. Sorry, guys. I keep hitting you. Okay. I'm just going to throw some stuff over here if they're pieces. All right. Here's an earring. I'm yours. Those I'm going to put over there. This is an earring, faux turquoise, silver tone. Yeah. Then we have another earring that looks like a peacock feather. It's metal. Okay, this is a pendant, and this is a shell, mother of pearl pendant. That's pretty. Okay, we have another pendant that is a heart, and it's silver tone, metal, puffed heart. Okay, this one is, I believe, a pendant. That's acrylic and silver tone pendant. I've got a lot of pendants. Okay, this one is, these might be seeds. Yeah, I think those are seeds. All right. Well, I don't think that goes in there, but there is a snowman stuck inside of an earring, which is gold tone. I will get it out though. And then we have a gold tone hoop with rhinestones. Oh, pretty. And then we have what I used to call shrimp earrings. Okay, and that is no name. I thought it might have a name on it. Oh, look, it's a ring with a moon and a star. And let's see what size it is. It looks sterling. Okay, it's an 8. Oh, that's pretty. Let's see if it fits on this finger. Wait. No, it's a little tight. I could pull it out a little bit. because it's not attached. No, it just makes my finger look fat. But I will test it. Okay. All right. All right, we have another earring. Another earring. And this is a post, and it's got red enamel. Okay. And it's metal. Oh, I found this one. Good, we have both of these earrings. These are cute. Both turquoise and arrow silver tone. Nice. Okay. We have another earring. Hoop. Brushed gold. And don't see a name on that one. No, I like that earring though. Okay, we have enamel. Silver tone enamel earrings. Oh, we have this. Oh, that went on that one. That's broken, obviously. And then we have silver tone, gold tone. It's a sun. And this looks like a, I don't know if that's a acrylic. I think this is acrylic. It's supposed to look like sea glass, but I'm pretty sure it's acrylic. Okay, we have all kinds of stuff in here, guys. Oh my goodness, look at this turtle. Okay, he is sterling. And he's got marcasites and probably diamonds in his head. How cute. Oh my gosh. I'm going to put that aside for Holly. She can let me know if she wants it. There's the bail. Okay. Okay, I believe this is sterling too. This is a sterling earring. Hoops. Or circles. I'll put that there. And then we have a chain. Let's see. Yep, silver tone chain. I like it though. Yeah. Okay. I like that chain. All right. We have, I think this goes on a bracelet because there's a lot of like little pieces like this. Okay, Christmas tree. I'm just going to put those back there. Okay, we have some more earrings. Oh, that's pretty. Brass tone, glass, pink glass. I like that one. Oh, this one's pretty. This one is not signed. Oh, yeah, faux pearl. Faux pearl and rhinestones. It's a clip-on. Ooh, gunmetal and rhinestones. Earring. Rhinestones are on the side. Oh, look at this one. It's an owl. Like a jelly belly owl. Yeah, that's glass. And it says, what does that say? It says D-O-P-O-R? No, Dodds? I don't know. I can't see it good. But I will look it up and find out more about it. Okay, let's see what else we have. Got lots of bits and pieces. Lots of little things like chains. Okay, that's pretty. Little earring post. Here's another one. Enamel. Okay, and that one doesn't have a name. And then this one's a little clip-on. All right. And then this one's a post. It's a pumpkin. Okay, with rhinestones. Rhinestone pumpkin. And here is that's a piece. I'm trying to find things that aren't pieces. Oh, this is a bracelet. Look at the pearls. Oh, those are so pretty. Yeah, labradorite. And these were painted green. Which I don't know why they paint the pearls green. But I like the pearls on this one. Yeah. And let's see if this one looks sterling. Not sure, but I'll test it. Okay. Okay, we have an earring. I'll just test all this stuff. I mean, anything that I'm not sure about, I'll let you know. Oh, look, it's a frog. I'm keeping that one. That one's mine. I love frogs. Yeah, he's adorable. Okay, that one's mine. If there's another one, I'll sell the next one. Okay, these are magnetic earrings. All right, and it's gold tone, like a little hoop. Okay, post, red, post earring. All right, I may miss some stuff, but there's a lot of little pieces in here. Look at that one. That's pretty. That looks like a CZ or a diamond. Oh, there's something on it. Let me look. This is 925. So it's for May. And it's probably a CZ. All right, a pink post earring. Oh, this one's pretty. This one says Sarah Cove faux pearl earring, clip-on. All right. This one is a post, and it's enamel on metal. Okay. Oh, this one's pretty. This one is beautiful. Tell what that's on. Wood. Okay. Yeah, painted wood. Oh, this one's pretty too. This is a hoop with, it says 925 with a red stone. Very pretty. Okay, test that one. All right. I got a lot of little of these, so I'll go through and get these out and let you know what I find. And this one to me looks like stainless, but I'm not sure. They could be diamonds, so we'll put them there. All right, guys, I think I'm going to stop there. I'll go through the rest of this, and whatever I find, I will let you know. The rest of this stuff, I have a lot of little, like, stones with holes in it, because it probably broke off a bracelet. Like, and this is acrylic, and I have a lot of pieces that don't have anything on the back. That was probably an earring. But I'm going to put all these in a bag. Everything. This is glass. Okay. Silver. Well, drop that one. Silver tone ball. Yeah, all that's going over here and in a bag. Okay. If I find anything cool, I'll let you know. I'll show it to you in the next video. Okay. Thanks for coming in, guys. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Mwah!